Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit or delete calendar and board views in Microsoft Lists. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to your Microsoft List link. Once the page loads, log into your Microsoft account to access your lists and all their features. After logging in, you'll see your available lists displayed on the screen. Go ahead and click on the list you want to work with. This will open up the list and show you all the different views available for organizing your data. Now, look to the right side of your screen where you'll see your board view. The board view is particularly useful for visualizing tasks or items in a card-based layout, making it easier to track progress across different stages. Click on the board view to open it. Once the board view is active, you'll notice a small arrow pointing down right beside the board view name. Click on that arrow to reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing this view. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Current View. This will open the view settings where you can customize how your board is organized and displayed. In the Edit View window, you can change the view name to something more specific if needed. Then, click the drop-down menu next to Organize Board By. Here, you have the option to either create a new column to organize your board items or select an existing column from your list. Choose the option that works best for your workflow, and once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save to apply them. Next, let's move on to editing the calendar view. On the right side of your screen, locate and click on your calendar view. The calendar view is perfect for tracking deadlines, events, or any time-sensitive items in your list. Just like with the board view, you'll see a small arrow pointing down next to your calendar view name. Click on that arrow to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Edit Current View to access the calendar settings. Here you have much more flexibility in customizing how your calendar displays information. In this editing window, you can change the view name to better reflect what this calendar tracks. You can also adjust the default layout, set which column serves as the start date on the calendar, specify the end date on the calendar, choose what appears as the title of items on the calendar, and even add a subheading for additional context. Take your time to configure these settings according to your needs, then click Save to keep your changes. Now, if you want to delete either of these views, the process is straightforward. On the top right corner of your screen, click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu, then select List Settings from the drop-down. Once you're in the List Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Views. This section shows all the different views that exist for your current list. Inside the Views section, click on either your calendar view or board view, whichever one you want to remove from your list. After clicking on the view, you'll see a Delete button. Click Delete to remove the view. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this view. Click OK to confirm, and the view will be permanently removed from your list. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit and delete both calendar and board views in Microsoft Lists. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.